Hey guys, just a real quick video. I've had quite a few people ask me about this, so I'm just gonna make it just real quick. Alright, so you got your soda stove, okay? Now, if you don't know what soda stove is, just look it up. Quick and easy how to make those. Now, these are really great. I mean, they're really light, and it's like you make them free basically. You just find yourself a can. Now, the only problem is with this, now, you're mainly supposed to use these when you go out, like out in the mountains or camping, whatever. Now, if you look at this, it's not exactly all that wide compared to, say, this or something relatively around this size. Now, if you're gonna boil water or you're gonna, get a canned soup or whatever, you try to put this on top of there. Now, you're gonna have to do a lot of balancing and holding it on there, and I'm pretty sure in the perfect world you're gonna have a level ground, but when you go camping, that's not going to be the case. So to try to balance that on there, it's kind of tricky. You're gonna end up spilling your fluid, and then you're gonna, forest fire, and the rest was gonna happen. So what I did was I did a little improvisation. Okay. Now this is literally the bottom half of this, okay? And to make this, it's very simple, okay? You get your soda can there, you line it up, and then more or less around, the height of it, you cut it, all right? And then, but you don't throw out this part because you're going to use that to cut these little parts out, okay, like the legs, to stabilize it. Okay, now this is not, you don't have to rivet it or anything of the sort. What you do is, let me see if I can actually do this thing one-handed. All right, when you cut these things, you're gonna make a little slit on the side, all right, about halfway in, and you're gonna do the exact same thing on your base, okay, where the soda can goes. So when you go to assemble it, they basically, now mind you, I'm trying to do this one-handed, so easy. Okay, excellent. There we go. So when you assemble it, you put this inside, you light it up, you get everything going. You put this on top. Now you have, guess what? You have a stable base, something that's going to help distribute the weight a lot easier. Instead of having to have all that weight plus the contents inside is going to really screw with the center of gravity and have that all resting on here. Now you do that all with this, with this inside, obviously. Put that on there. Now it's going to be a lot easier. So, and guess what? It was free. Well, I mean, minus the can that you can eat, whatever. It's going to be there anyway, so it's not like you didn't get a free meal out of it or something. All right? Good luck.